Hi, today I'm going to go over what is on the sewing machine test. So there's 3 parts to the machine test. This is Teddy. He's very busy. 3 parts to the machine test. 1, you're going to name all the parts. 2, you wind a bobbin. And then 3, you set up the machine and thread the machine. You can do them in any order you want. And if you mess up, you do get to retest. All right, I'm going to show you the answers right now. Here we go. Bernina 1008. Here are all the parts. We have flywheel or hand wheel. The power is over here, and that also does a light. Stitch width, so your stitches can get wider or just narrow on 0. Needle position, that changes where the needle is. Needle position. Buttonhole knob. Stitch length, and you do twirly to make it go up or down. Usually we sew at 2.5. Reverse, you have to hold it up and it'll go backwards. And then this is the red and green stitch controllers, which match the stitches up on top. Red and green, and this drops the feed dogs. Generally, this should be over here for regular sewing. Bobbin winder spindle, bobbin winder stop, thread cutter, spool pins, tension dial. This is called a stud. You wrap the bobbin thread around there when you're sewing, when you're making a bobbin. This is the thread take-up lever, and this one should be in the highest position, like this, when you're starting. So see, it's all the way up at the top, and the needle is at the very top too. This is the clamp screw. This is the presser foot. Make the presser foot go up and down silently. The stitch plate, and then inside is a bobbin case. Take the bobbin out, and next we're going to wind a bobbin and set up the machine. So to wind a bobbin, I'm going to go here, and then around that stud, and then it goes into the center of the bobbin, and then going out. Put it on the bobbin winder, switch it to the bobbin winding position, right? This is sewing, this is winding bobbin. And I'm gonna hold it right here, really taut. Step on the gas and make it wind. Oh, but I wanna make sure the needle is not going. So I have to come over here and disengage the needle. So one's gonna go back and one's gonna go forward here. And now when I step on this, the needle doesn't go, but I get to wind a bobbin. This comes right off by itself. Wind it until it's all the way filled up, okay? Don't stop. I'm just stopping because it's a demonstration. Take it off here, thread cutter. Then, the third part is to set up the machine. You're gonna drop the bobbin in. It's gonna thread rainbows away from you. Put it in there, and it goes right into this little notch. So pull it through there, and then over under the crab claw, and just let go. This is gonna go straight up to 12 o'clock, straight up, and it snaps in, makes a really nice noise. Snap, and then on top, I'm gonna thread the machine around here, down, up. Oh, the thread take-up lever has to be at the highest position, and I have to re-engage the needle after I was winding a bobbin, right? Behind, and then thread the needle. You're going to hold this towards you and turn the wheel 1 full rotation. And when you feel the lower thread come up, it's nice and easy. See that loop? And you can pull it out, or you can use your scissors and just swipe across. Everything goes under the presser foot, off to the side. And you're going to put it under here, presser foot down to sew, up to stop.